Have you ever had a friend who knows what you're thinking before you even say it? That is a special kind of connection. Today, we are learning the idiom, know someone inside out. Understanding this will help you describe your closest relationships. Imagine this. Tom tells his doctor, "I know you inside out." The doctor looks at his X-ray machine and says, "Do you have X-ray vision?" That was awkward. Tom did not mean he could see the doctor's bones. He misunderstood the idiom entirely. So, what does it actually mean? To know someone inside out means to know them very, very thoroughly. It means you understand their character, their habits, their history, and even their secrets. Let's look at Sarah and Jane. They have been best friends for 10 years. Sarah knows that Jane hates spiders and loves chocolate ice cream. Sarah can predict exactly how Jane will react to bad news. Sarah knows Jane inside out. Here is an example sentence. I have been married for 20 years. I know my husband inside out. Another example, he has worked on this engine for years. He knows it inside out. Yes, you can use it for objects too. To remember this, think of a book. If you turn a book inside out, nothing is hidden. Every page is visible. Fun fact, this phrase likely comes from the idea of turning a pocket inside out. When you do that, you show everything inside it. A similar idiom is to know something like the back of my hand. It also means to know something perfectly. The opposite would be a stranger or just an acquaintance, someone you do not know well at all. A common mistake is using this for someone you just met. You cannot know someone inside out after 1 week. Quiz time. What does knowing someone inside out mean? A. You're a surgeon. B. You know them very well. C. You just met them. The answer is B. You know them very well. Great job. To recap, know someone inside out means having deep, thorough knowledge of a person or thing. Who do you know inside out? Tell us in the comments. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. See you next time.